If you are one of the 40 million people diagnosed with asthma or COPD in the US, you know how important it is to keep your lungs healthy. But medicine distributing devices are expensive and most are complicated to use. That's why Blue Echo Care developed the Blue Echo Care Cool Mist Compressor, the FDA and ISO approved safe and easy way to distribute medicine to keep your lungs strong and healthy. So, how do we get started? There are 5 parts to your Cool Mist Compressor: a solutions cup with cap, a mask or mouthpiece that connects the cap, filtered, the compressor, and plastic tubing that connects the compressor to the mouthpiece. To start using, make sure you have washed your hands and placed the compressor on a flat surface. Add a new filter by removing the plastic lid on the compressor next to the tube connector. Connect the plastic tubing to the compressor and the end of the solution cup. Add your solution to the cup and gently twist on the cap. Connect the mask or mouthpiece. Put the mask over your face or place the mouthpiece in your mouth. Plug in compressor and turn it on and hold upright to prevent spilling. Take normal breaths until the solution is gone from the cup. Clean the plastic components by soaking in warm soapy water for 15 minutes, then soaking in plain water again for 15 minutes and letting air dry. Dream of a better you. Order your Blue Echo Care Cool Mist Compressor today.